Are you ready?
Your Excellency, these are the people behind.
Let's go. Now tire.
In Kenya, we have got severe shortage of nurses. It is affecting each and every county. Some counties are doing better, some counties are not doing any better. And being that this I think it is because it is just artificial. It is cosmetic. The shortage is cosmetic because the training of nurses, among the courses that are offered in KMTCs and universities, nursing is the most hotly sought for training in Kenya.
Nurses that are working in your counties, make that decision to implement that CBA. Make that decision to enhance that risk allowance. Make that decision to take care of the nurses working in your counties. The moment you make that decision, you have made the decision to skyrocket the healthcare system in your county.
The caregivers. See, we don't want to share patients when I have instructed, I have said even them, they have to be taken care of. You know the caregivers. Wale wanamkanga asubuhi anakuja kuosha wagonjwa, watafanya kazi na nyinyi. Si sawa? So that one is ongoing. The promotions, the risk allowances, baruas wale wajapata, nimeambia maybe from next week forward baruas zitaanza kutoka.